Happy Thursday, everybody. I'm NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland. It is a very warm and humid day across most of northeast Wisconsin. Temperatures have now climbed up into the 80s just about everywhere. The exceptions are right along the shoreline of Lake Michigan and across Door County, where we've had a couple of showers and thunderstorms over the last couple of hours. It is currently 87 degrees in Waupaca. We're looking at 86 in Fond du Lac. A couple of these spots may climb up into the lower 90s before the day is done. In Green Bay, it is turning mostly sunny. The temperature is 86, but look at that dew point. It is 72 degrees. And when you combine the heat with the humidity, you get the heat index. This is summer's equivalent of winter's wind chill. This is what it feels like outside right now. And in Green Bay, it feels like 92 degrees. Here's a look at Storm Shield radar showing that cluster of showers and thunderstorms now working away from the Door Peninsula. Behind it, there is nothing going on. We've got dry weather across all of northeast Wisconsin. Then we have to turn our attention to some thunderstorms now developing here across southwestern Ontario. This area of thunderstorms is currently developing ahead of a cold front that's going to swing through here later on this evening, and that's what we're watching for the threat of severe weather as we move into the evening hours. Right now, there is nothing going on severe weather-wise across the upper Midwest, but that could be changing once again as we head deeper into the day, especially this evening into tonight. There is an enhanced risk for severe weather across the entire viewing area for later on this evening, and that means numerous severe thunderstorms are likely, and all types of severe weather are possible, including tornadoes, high winds, hail, and of course torrential rain and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Here's a look at the high-res future radar starting at 2 o'clock. It's showing some thunderstorms here across northeastern Wisconsin. That activity has already shifted off towards the east, but what it does clearly show is those thunderstorms moving across Lake Superior and then redeveloping here as we head through the late afternoon and early evening to our north, and then pushing through northeast Wisconsin during the mid to late evening hours with that threat for severe weather. Everything is being triggered by a frontal boundary now located across western Minnesota into northeastern Minnesota and an area of low pressure, and that front's going to come swinging through here later on tonight. South of that front, temperatures are mainly in the 80s and 90s. Even behind it, we're looking at temperatures that are in the lower to mid 80s, but these spots were in the 90s and 100s yesterday, so this front is cooling things down just a bit, and we will see cooler weather as we head into tomorrow. High temperatures will be in the upper 70s to lower 80s, but we're still going to have the chance for some more thunderstorms because another weak disturbance is going to rotate across northeast Wisconsin behind it, and that's going to give us a chance for some thunderstorms as we move into tomorrow afternoon. And there is a marginal threat for severe weather as we move through tomorrow, which means 1 or 2 storms could be on the strong to severe side with damaging winds and some large hail. Of course, we'll have a complete update with what's happening for this evening on NBC 26 Live at 5, 6, and 10. We'll also be updating Twitter and Facebook throughout the day. Until then, have a great afternoon and early evening.